Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential upgrade for your vehicle's interior, the FH Group 3D Air Mesh Seat Covers. We found this product online and have included the link in the description, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what these seat covers are all about. The FH Group 3D Air Mesh Seat Covers come as a front seat cover set, which includes 2 bucket car seat covers and all the necessary installation hardware. What stands out about these covers is their semi-customized design, which fits most vehicles better than typical universal options. With hook and loop attachments and straps located on the bottom, they provide a snug fit that gives the appearance of being custom-made for your seats. One of the key features of these seat covers is their universal fit, designed to accommodate sedans, trucks, and SUVs alike. They're perfect for those who want to protect their vehicle's seats from spills, dirt, and pet hair. Whether you're a busy parent, a pet owner, or just someone who enjoys a clean car interior, these covers shield your seats while adding a stylish touch. Available in a variety of colors, including classic black, vibrant red, blue, purple, pink, and gray, you're sure to find a shade that matches your car's interior perfectly. Safety is another priority with the FH Group seat covers. They feature airbag-compatible stitching, ensuring that in the event of an accident, the airbags can deploy without hindrance. This thoughtful design allows for secure and safe usage across all vehicle models. Plus, the full coverage protection also extends to the back of your seats, safeguarding against those inevitable scuffs and kicks from backseat passengers. Maintenance is a breeze with these seat covers, as they are machine washable. Simply remove them, toss them in the wash, and air dry. This makes it incredibly convenient for anyone who wants to keep their car looking fresh and clean without too much hassle. Additionally, each front seat cover comes with a built-in back pocket, providing handy storage for essentials like your phone, wallet, or snacks, ideal for commuters or families on the go. So, who are these seat covers suitable for? Essentially, they cater to a wide range of users, from new drivers looking to protect their investment, to families needing a durable solution for messy kids, and even pet owners who want to keep their car fur-free. The stylish yet functional design appeals to both men and women, making them a versatile choice for anyone seeking comfort and flair in their vehicle. In conclusion, the FH Group 3D Air Mesh seat covers provide a perfect blend of style, comfort, and protection for your car's interior. They are easy to install, maintain, and offer great functionality for everyday use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.